Hello students, myself Dr. Seema Marwaha, Associate Professor in Zoology, Hansraj Mehla Mahavidyalaya Jalandhar. So today we will discuss about codominance. So before starting with codominance, I would like to tell you about the terms allele. Now what is an allele? Allele is the alternative form of a gene. So most of the time it is the two alternative forms of a gene which we call as alleles. For example, if we talk about the height character, there are two alleles that it can be tall or it can be dwarf. So most of the characters, one form of the allele is expressed and one is not expressed. The form which is expressed, we call it as the dominant, and the gene which is not expressed, that is called the recessive. So codominance occurs when two alleles of the same gene are expressed. That is, instead of one being dominant over the other, equal expression of the two genes takes place. So equal expression of two alleles of a gene is called codominance, and the best example is blood groups in case of man. Now as we know that we have four different blood groups, A, B, AB and O, and there are two antigens which are expressing A and the B. So the most well known and medically important blood types, they are known as ABO system, which was given by Landsteiner, who also got the Nobel Prize for this in 1930. So the four types are also known as ABO types, as I told you earlier, that is A, B, AB and O. Now any person having the blood group is having one particular type of antigen, and against that different type of antiserum. So inheritance is of one of the three alleles, that is the A, B or O, from each of the parents. So there are total 6 genotypes which are expressing these four blood groups. For example, if you have blood group A, then the genotype will be IAIA or IAIO. If your blood group is B, it can be IBIB or IBIO. If you have blood group AB, then you have both the antigen, the genotype will be IAIB, and in blood group O, there are no antigens, so we write it as IOIO. So this table also shows the same, the different genotypes for blood group A, blood group B, blood group AB and blood group O. You can see the genotypes. It can be AO and AA for blood group A, BO and BB for blood group B, AB for blood group AB and OO for O. So that means for blood group A and B, we have two genotypes, and for AB and O, we have one genotype. So depending upon this, the blood group is decided. So what type of antigen you have? For example, for blood group A, you have antigen A. Then you have in your blood antibodies B, that we call as antibody anti-B. If you have blood group B, then the antigen present in the blood is B and the antiserum is having antibodies A. In blood group AB, we have antigens A and B and there are no antibodies. And in blood group O, there are no antigens but both the type of antibodies, anti-A and anti-B. So depending upon this, we have four type of blood groups. Same is shown in this table, that A is having antigen A, antibody B, and the genotype can be AA or AO. In blood group B, antigen is B and the antibodies are A and genotype is BB or BO. In blood group AB, antigens are A and B, there are no antibodies and genotype is AB. O blood group, there are no antigens, both the type of antibodies in the blood, anti-A and anti-B, and there are genotype is OO. So depending upon this, we have the blood groups. So this is the repetition that what type of genotypes we can have in this. So basically the meaning of codominance is that there are present two alleles and both the alleles they are expressing. So when both are expressing, we are saying it is codominance, and this is explained best in the blood groups because both the alleles they are expressing.